Enter the menu device settings, vehicle library, enter vehicle information details. Measurement of various body parameters. Front wheel track measurement. Find the two center points of the front wheel. Enter the corresponding value for the front wheelbase. Front to rear wheelbase. Find the center of the front wheel. Measure the front and rear wheelbase. Enter the corresponding values for the front and rear wheelbase. These two sets of values are reserved parameters for the subsequent development of other functions and do not require you to measure and fill in for the time being. GNSS receiver position relative to central axis. Right if the antenna is on the right, left if the antenna is on the left. Distance from GNSS receiver to central axis. Find the top center of the antenna. Measure the distance from the GNSS receiver to the center axis. Enter the corresponding value. Distance from GNSS receiver to rear axis. Find the center of the rear wheel. Distance from GNSS receiver to rear axis is the distance between the vertical direction of the GNSS receiver and the center point of the rear wheel. If your GNSS receiver is mounted behind the center point of the rear wheel, the measured value is negative. Enter the corresponding value. GNSS receiver height. Find the base of the GNSS receiver. The height of the antenna is the vertical height from the bottom of the antenna to the ground level. Enter the corresponding value. Turning radius. The minimum turning radius is the distance between the two paths. Enter the corresponding value. Select steering wheels based on how the tractor is steered. Vehicle parameterization is complete.